Hi, welcome to your English class. I'm teacher Eddy. Let's remember what we practiced in the previous class. Tell me, what city are you from? I am from Mexico City. And you? All right. Is your name Alex? No, it isn't. What's your name? My name is Eddy. And you? All right. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Very good. Are you from Peru? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Are you from Colombia? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Where are you from? I'm from Mexico. And you? Very good. Now, what's your name? My name is Eddy. How do you spell that? E, D, D, Y. Very good. So, that is what we practiced in the previous classes. Remember to check the video here. Now, today, let's check a business card. In the business card, we have a name, but also a phone number. In this class, let's give your name and phone number. All right, so let's start with the numbers. Check, listen, and repeat. 1, 1. Very good. Listen again. 2, 2. Very good. Next one. 3, 3. Check my mouth. 3, 3, 3. Very good. 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5. 6, 6, 6. 7, 7, 7. 8, 8, 8. 9, 9, 9. And finally, we have 0, 0, 0. But in some cases, for example, in the phone number, we can also say O. Let's check an example. 2305 or 2305. The two are possible, but O indicates a digit, not a quantity. For quantities, the pronunciation or the name is 0, 0. All right. Now, let's play a game and let's practice the numbers. Check. Here I have a digital dice. I throw the dice and we try to play tic-tac-toe. Remember, 3 in a row. Vertical, horizontal, diagonal. Let's check. Let's play the first one. Let's roll the die. And we have the number 7. All right, let's draw over here. Number 7. Let's see if we can complete 3 in a row. Roll again. And now we have number 1. Oh my God. All right, the next one is going to be right over here. Let's continue with the next number. And now we have the number 2. All right. Okay. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. Now we have number 2. Now let's continue with number 1 again. All right. Let's roll again. 4. Oh my God. We had 4 over here, but we don't have a complete line. Let's continue with the next number. Over here we have 1 again. Let's roll. 8. All right, so we're getting all the different numbers, but we don't have 3 in a row. If we can get the number 0 or the number 9 or the number 5, we can complete a line. Let's see if we can get them. Let's roll again, and now we have the number 2. No, it's not good for us. Then we have the number 9. Excellent, very good. So we have a complete line over here. Great, very good. So let's play again with the next part. All right. Let's play again with the next one. All right, now let's go for the next. And we have the number 8. All right, let's mark over here, number 8. Let's roll again. And now we have the number 9. Okay, let's mark this one over here, number 9. Let's continue now. We have number 3. Oh, we don't have a 3 in this one. Let's roll again. And we have the number 7. Very good. Number 7 is good for us. Let's see if we can get a 0. Let's roll again. And we have number 8. No, that's not good for us. Number 2. All right, we have number 2 over here. Let's see. We can make 3 different lines. Let's see if the next number can help us. We have number 9, not good. Next one, number 1. Oh my God, we don't need that one right now, but it's going to help us. Let's roll again, and now we have number 8 again. No, we need a different one. 4, there we go, we have number 4, and we completed a line. Excellent. Let's play the final one. Are you ready? Remember to listen and repeat pronunciation of the numbers. All right, let's check. You tell me the number. The first number is 4. Exactly. That's number 4. There we go. Let's check. What is the next number? 6. That's correct. Number 6. Let's mark it over here. Let's continue. Next number. Repeat. 5. Very good. 5. Excellent. All right. Let's see if we can complete the line. Final number. 1. No, we don't complete the line yet, but we have the number 1. Remember to repeat. 1. Now we have the number 2. We have no 2 in this one. Let's roll again. Number 5, already selected. Number 3, yes, and with number 3, repeat 3, we complete the line here. Very good. That was a good game. Thank you for participating. Now let me erase all of these and let's continue with the class. Now, in the next part of the class, let me show you over here. Remember that the goal for this class is to give your name and your phone number. So we need to practice with some phone numbers. Here I have some examples. Listen and repeat. In English, we say the phone number individual numbers, not pairs, not complete, individual numbers. Check, listen, and check. The first number is 6640815. One more time, listen. 6640815. Next number, 205551234. One more time, listen. 205551234. And the last one, 44208081, sorry, 234567. Listen again. 442081234567. All right. Remember, in English, you say the phone numbers, individual numbers. All right. Very good. Now, this is an example with only the numbers. Remember, in the business card, we can find a name, but also a number. For example, in this case, the name is Gracia Anthony, and the phone number is this. So, let's say the complete sentence. Gracia's phone number is 997827837118. One more time. Gracia's phone number is 997827837118. There we go. Now let's ask a question. Let's transform the sentence into a question. Check. Is 7827837188. Gracias. Phone number is 997827837188. Gracias. Phone number. Very good. And we can also ask the question, what is Gracias' phone number? Repeat. What is Gracias' phone number? Similar to this, we can use your information. For example, my phone number is 55677734. Second question, is 55820111 your phone number? Or directly the final question, what is your phone number? What is your phone number? Very good. Let's practice. In some cases, it's not possible to talk to a person on the phone, so we need to leave a message. Check these different conversations, interactions, to leave a message and to listen to the message. Check. Hi, this is Paul. Please leave your name and number. Beep. In this case, this is the machine, not a real person. Listen again. Hi, this is Paul. Please leave your name and number. Beep. Now check my response. I am the person. Hi, Paul. This is Margaret. My number is 321-4567. Please call me back. Thank you. Bye. Very good. Let's practice this conversation. I am the machine and you are the person. Hi, this is Paul. Leave your name and number. Beep. Now you are the person. Hi, Paul. This is, substitute with your name. This is Eddy. My number is, give your number, 5577, etc. Yes. Please call me back. Thank you. Bye. Very good. Now let's switch. You are the machine and I am the human. All right. So you say, hi, this is, substitute with your name. This is Eddy. Please leave your name and number. Beep. Very good. And I respond, hi, Eddy. This is John. My number is 322-476-57. Please call me back. Thank you. All right. Very good. So remember, the voicemail message is the machine. A phone message is the person. Let's check this example. Voicemail message. Hi, this is Susan. Please leave your name and number. Thanks. A phone message, a person. Hi, Susan. This is June. Please call me back. My number is 555-2390. Bye. Very good. Now, let's go to the final activity of the class. Let's listen to some people and try to identify the phone number. All right. Are you ready? Let's listen.
Please leave your name and number. Message 1.
Hello, this is 212-555-6891. Please leave a message.
Hi, Linda. This is Charles Brady. Please call me back. My number is 908-555-7784. Thank you. Bye.
All right, let's listen a second time.
Hello, this is 212-555-6891. Please leave a message.
Hi, Linda. This is Charles Brady. Please call me back. My number is 908-555-7784. Thank you. Bye.
Right, very good. I hope you have taken your notes. Let's listen to message 2.
Message 2.
This is Thompson Limited. Please leave your name and number. Thank you.
Hello, this is Mr. Tanaka from Gentech. My number is 312-555-8607. Please call me back. Thank you. Goodbye.
All right, let's listen again the second message. Message 2 from Mr. Tanaka.
Message 2.
This is Thompson Limited. Please leave your name and number. Thank you.
Hello, this is Mr. Tanaka from Gentech. My number is 312-555-8607. Please call me back. Thank you. Goodbye.
All right, did you get the 2 phone numbers? Leave them in the comments and I will tell you if you are right or you need to listen again. All right, so thank you so much for being in the class. Thank you for the participation. Thank you for the like, for the subscription, and thank you for sharing this video with another person that needs it. Remember, my goal is to help many people learn and study English. If you share my video, you help me do that. Thank you so much. I will see you next class.